Come do nightly animal checks with me. Hi, Yoshi. Hi, Bubba's. You cannot have the light. You cannot have the light. Now, everybody always thinks that these are dogs, but these are actually New Guinea singing dogs, and they're the rarest breed of dog in the world, and they are not domesticated. Okay, let's check on my other animals. Hi, Ricky. Hi, Ricky. Hi. Rai Rai. Hi, Rai Rai Rai. Hi, Rai Rai Rai. 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 Ryan. Oh, that's a good Jeanette. That's a good Jeanette. Woo! So the porcupines are already awake. Come here, porcupines. Come here, porcupines. Hi, Hazel. Hi, Hazel. Hi, Hazel. Henry. Hi, Henry. Hi, porcupine. Hi, porcupine. Hi, Toga. Hi, Toga. Are you so excited? Hi, Coda. Hi. Hi, sweet girl. Hi. Otis. Otis, do you want to come say hi? Come here, Otis. Come here, Otis. Hi, Bubba's. Hi, Otis. Would you like to say hello? Come here, toucan. Come here, toucan. You gotta jump. You gotta jump. That's too low. What are you doing? Come here. Come here, Mango. Come here, Mango. Oh, you're just gonna hop to me. Okay. Come here. Hi, Mango. Hi, Mango. You want me to pick you up? Hi. Hi, Mango. Hi, Bubba's. Okay, this is the time Groot is up. It is currently dark in here right now. Hi, Groot. Hi, Groot. Hi, buddy. Hi, Groot. Chip, chip, chip. Chip, chip, chip. Hi, chip, chip, chip. Hi. Hi, Frito. Hi, Chip. Hi, Forever Dog. Hi, Forever Dog. Hi. Who wants to come here? Hi. Hi, Weemers. Hi, Weemers. Hi. Hi, Weemers. Hello, Mr. Grouchy Grouch. Hi, Nico. Hi, sweet boy. Hi, Nico. Hi.